This has been my best back trading session. I highly recommend you watch this. If you have been watching my videos of my back trading and seeing how sucky I've been doing in a way, I got a lot of value out of this. And obviously I know you probably can't sit here and just watch the whole thing, but I know for myself, I'm probably going to go back and literally watch this video. So I just wanted to kind of put that out there before I get into the video. This was amazing, and I really hope that I can transfer what I think and hope I finally got burned into my brain into my real-time trading in my Apex account. And now I'm going to get right into the video. Okay, I'll be picking up the back trading session, the long back trading session. I think this is part 3. Left off here, this was the final R's I walked away with, right? Walked away. I put that in air quotes on this back trade. I wish I could trade like this in real time. That's the goal, right? That's why we back trade. Eventually get it to where we're able to trade the way we back trade. It's just so much easier to me to kind of get into a flow on what to take and what not to take when I'm back trading versus in real time trading where I think I just overthink a lot probably. And I notice like in my back trading, I pretty much just focus on my 10 EMA strategy and volume. I've noticed that. Some chart patterns, double bottoms, double tops, you know, trend line. I will, but I don't know, in my real time, I do a lot. I'm doing a lot of analyzing that is probably hurting me. I'm not going to explain the strategies I'm going to do. You can look at this and you'll probably catch on to what I'm doing, or you can watch, you know, part 1 or part 2, or like almost any of my videos at this point and get the strategy that I do. So I'm just going to go ahead and start. So on the daily, we have this really nice hammer candle. We've bounced off of the monthly 10 EMA, this turquoise like line right here. So hammer candle, I mean, this is pretty great. We're right under. What I will do on this back trading is I will mark out where that daily 10 EMA is. So it's around there. So we're hanging right around it. I'm gonna be honest, I don't quite like that. I've said before, I don't like doing my strategy when price is kind of like hanging around this daily 10 EMA. But we'll kind of see what happens. Where is, let's see. Okay, yeah. So we're above the hourly 50 EMA, which means I'm supposed to be looking for longs. So that means I need to look for the first bear candle opening and closing above the 10 EMA on a 3-minute, this light blue line right here. So I'm going to kind of look for that. Strong bear candle. Wait a second. Let me think a little bit though. I mean, price could come down and meet the hourly 50 EMA before going back up or getting close to it. We'll kind of see here. Yeah, this is going down really fast. Let's see if we kind of get something new. Look at that hammer candle. Mets kind of has a bigger body than that I like, but I'm not. So I'm obviously back trading, but let's just pretend. Right. I'm not actually, you know, counting this. I just want to see if this works. I wouldn't be surprised if it does. But then at the same time, oh, did not. It's okay. Okay. That's why we stick to the strategy. Okay. So I don't even know well, can we really get a long setup? I don't know. All right, what I do like is that we've bounced off of the 50 EMA hourly chart. It'd be great to see a bear candle right about like soon. I don't want to see it keep going up. Oh man, haven't got that bear reset candle yet. Oh man, wow. So it's just kind of just took off without us. And that kind of sucks. Can't lie to you. Okay, kind of have this double bottom here. This is the first candle, and we're right at 9:30, which is sometimes if things are not looking too well, I'll wait an hour after market open to trade. Like I said, we're kind of hanging around that daily 10. I don't know about this. Oh, and by the way, this is going to be a long video, and I'm not going to do a ton of editing to shorten a lot of things. I mean, I'm going to try to definitely shorten spots where it's just super long, or I'm just thinking, I try to think out loud as much as possible, but sometimes it's just a little hard to do that. And this is a Monday, so I have to kind of think of that. Okay, so far bear reset candle is working. I would love to see at least a close below that 10 EMA before it continuing higher, but it may not. I may have missed it. Come on, close. Oh, wow. Okay, well, ask and you shall receive. So that's a close below that 10 EMA. What? I'm trying to. Okay, what happened? That's a crazy day. Wow, just slamming back down. Okay. So let's pretend I did take this setup right here. Let's see. How would that have been, right? I definitely would not have had this stop. I would have probably done something like this. The low, the high, and yeah, that would not. I would have at least put it below the 50 and the 10. It's such a large stop that maybe I wouldn't have even taken it anyways. Yeah, so I'd have been in this, and I would have really tried to follow the. I would have moved it once. Wow, I would have got stopped out for about 0.5 Rs, so I would not have liked that. I didn't take this because of all these bull candles in a row. Now, what's interesting is we are at this double bottom neckline, and it's already trying to kind of bounce. I would love for the 10 EMA to kind of catch up with price and then get a bear reset candle. I don't know if that'll happen. Let's see. All right, it's kind of doing it now. Close back over that daily 10. Oh Lord, this is what it did last time. See, like it's running up. I didn't want it to. I want a bear candle pretty soon. Yeah, no, just not getting it. Okay, well, there's one. This is a little better just because, there's a place we can kind of target and it's not the highest the price has gone. We have a lot of bear volume on this candle and this candle. So if the high of this gets taken out, I would think we would come up a bit. So I almost want to say I'd want to have an entry. See if because I put an entry this low above this candle. I just would think that, let me see here. Yeah, that's just too large of a stop to me. Let me go right here. Okay. And we're doing So I'm looking on it. So I'm looking at where I've entered. I'm kind of looking at the daily chart, right? This is the entry. I'm looking at the candle. This is probably a little small. Let me try it without moving it. Dang it. Hang on. Kind of bring it down. I don't want to see the next candle, right? Because that's going to tell me too much. Okay. That means if this trade wins, this area, this target, would be above, be right here on the daily. That's not so bad. We run into this resistance area. We ran into it before and came down, so let's see if we could get up there again. My thing is wondering if I should put the entry right above this candle or if I should put it above this candle. That's what I usually do. I'll find another strong candle to put the entry above, but that means the entry would have to be way up here. That's a little... let me just see what the next candle does. Okay, another bear reset candle, opening and closing above that 10. I like that. I'm going to do something that I used to do that I stopped doing, but I'm going to do it here because I think I have a good feeling about this one. I'm going to lower the entry down to playing this bear reset candle. The stop. I kind of feel like I should put it below VWAP. I'm not going to. So we'll see kind of what happens here. So far not triggered in the trade. Still not triggered. Okay, it's coming down. Bounced right off that 50 EMA on the 3-minute. Okay, now we're getting closes under that 10 EMA. What I learned today is if we get a, like, let's say I'm trying to go long right here, and then all of a sudden we get a bull candle opening and closing below the 10, well, that's a reset for a short trade. So that means we would have to cancel the long trade. So that candle almost took out, well, it did take out the high of this candle with a lot of volume. And it's right there for that one. Let's just see what happens here. Okay, so that would be, I'm wondering if I'm risking it to lower the entry just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Now the stop is below VWAP. All right, so I'd be in on the trade. All of a sudden my nerves start to kicking in. Don't like that candle. That is what's for sure about it. Okay, we did get that bull candle, but I'm glad it did not close below that. Wow. That's not good. This next candle is going to say a lot. Let's see. Okay. And again, as you can see, the daily 10 is around here, and that's usually too close for me to play this strategy. Like, it's always so weird, but I think I still have some good faith in this one. So let me see, how long have I been in the trade? I have 2 more candles before I can move my stop. 1, 2. All right. So on that one, I will move the stop. Let's see, let's do this the right amount here. Yeah. Gonna go ahead and move that stop. It is right above the daily 10, so let me change this to red. Whoops, why didn't I do it? New stop. So if I lose, I would lose 0.7 Rs. That's better than a full R. Yeah. So glad I changed and was able to move that stop. I probably should have just seen if price was going to come all the way back up here to go higher. This was a very strong candle, and so the bears were like, nope, y'all are not doing that. All right, so now we're just gonna here hanging out. Let me 0.7 R loss. Wow, we are coming down here. I see that we've got some kind of trend line. I want to see, where do I draw this from? It makes sense. Maybe like that a little bit. We're still above the hourly 50A, so technically I'm still supposed to be looking for long setups. Okay, here we go again. Let's see if it'll give us, okay, finally it kind of gave us a bear candle opening and closing above that 10 and didn't just, I mean, it did run up a little bit, but not like this area and this area. I think that was just too far up before going long. So I'm going to this time listen to my gut and put it also the entry above this candle because it had quite a bit of volume. So I'm gonna do that. Gonna leave the stop below VWAP. Really, a real safe stop should be like down here, but that's just so large to me. I'll go, no, this is a large. The volume is kind of big right here on this daily. I mean, on this 3-minute candle. So I'll just move the stop. Yeah, like right there. Let's see how much we can get. It'd be great if I can go for my original take profit here, but that'll be if I decide to leave a runner. And at this point, I'm just going to go for 1.2. Well, let's see if price gets up there. Okay, so far not. Even if I would have put my entry here, I wouldn't have gotten triggered, so that's fine. We're coming down. That was a bull reset candle, so technically I'm supposed to cancel this trade. I'm just going to kind of leave it up. We're coming up again. Wow. I mean, so far the bears are really trying. Like, you see these volume spikes, but they're not able to kind of break this yet. I mean, it's only 12:39 on this candle, so definitely can happen. Okay, there it goes. Maybe now they've kind of got it. As I come back, I realize this is sort of a pennant pattern, right? So again, not just trying to only look at chart patterns, but they do mean something. Now, one thing I've always said is pennants sometimes do fake breakdowns or breakouts. So I wouldn't be surprised if this comes down a little bit and then comes right back up. That would be great. Let's see if that happens. Or if the bears are just like, no, we're pushing this up. We're still above that hourly 50 EMA. Obviously this trade at that point would definitely be taken off the table. We're coming down. Wow, okay, that's I like that. Okay, so this is interesting. We have that bear reset candle. The thing I'm not liking is now we've got the VWAP in the 50, like right here. And also the daily 10 right here. Even though price has been ripping and running through it, where my entry will definitely be above the VWAP in the 50 and also above this candle, which had a lot of bear volume. I'm just going to see if price can come this far. I don't feel good putting it right above that candle. It's closing. I know Calvin, the guy who taught me these rules on this strategy, probably would call this a close enough candle. So, well, that's a new bear reset candle. At this point, it's definitely later in the day. Maybe I could lower the entry a little bit. I don't know. I don't like this too much anymore. It's coming up. Wow, yeah, this is just like really crazy. And again, that daily 10 is there. Almost would have gotten filled with that one. Let me think about this stop. I think I'll place it like that. Ooh, I don't know. Maybe I should put it above the VWAP. Okay, I didn't. I left it. So now I got the job of managing my stop as best I can. And this is a super late. I usually don't take trades this late in the day, like in real time anyways. Nice hammer candle, but okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, wow, 4, okay, wow, 5, 6, 7, kind of seeming like the other trade. May get stopped out for another 0.7. That kind of, and this stop is like right there. It's chopping. This for sure could get hit. Something would have to like really happen here. I almost want to think about closing this trade. If it goes back into profit. So it's 1, 2, 3, wow, 4, yeah, kind of figured that. Not good, so okay. Yeah, so after that, I'd be done. I'd be totally done on this day. That is not cool, right? Because, what am I trying to say? Yikes, I don't like that. That's me losing, almost 1.5 R in the day. All right, let's go to the next day, see what happens there. Okay, so I'm just gonna like cut out the parts where I'm letting it kind of run. So the new candle has started on the daily. Let me go ahead and move. Is that candle? Really? I gotta figure out something because like I gotta figure out a strategy I like to do on days like this where, you know, I want to go long and I want to wait for that bear reset candle to go long above, but it runs up like this. To be honest, I should have just played this double bottom here because this is too strong of a candle to like come out with 2 losing trades. You know, like that's a little weird to me. All right, so we have the VWAP and 50 EMA strategy where, yeah, I'm thinking about just not even worrying about the 50 and the VWAP strategy anymore. Like I will say when it, throws out like a really good setup, like it's like perfect a lot of times, but it just doesn't give enough opportunities to me every day, at least in the time frame that I trade in. And this is just running, this is just smashing up. So I was wanting to see some closes below the 10 and then pop back up to give a bear reset candle, but it looks like this is just shooting it. Let's go to 930 to see what is okay. So we kind of had a close enough bull candle opening and closing below the 10 EMA, so that's a reset. So now maybe, come on. Okay, so can't go long there. I need to wait. Don't run. No. It's doing the same thing. Let's see. Good Lord. So if I'm looking at this right here and I'm looking right here, this is the daily 200 EMA. The 100 EMA. That's a pretty serious level. Let me delete this. I don't know what. Man, I don't know. Like, I don't want to get in long this high. And I'm going to kind of wait. Well, then let's look at volume, right? So this bear volume got taken out pretty quick. What can I target? There's nothing I can like look to the left. Well, I don't know. We are away from that daily 10 though. I just don't know if we're going to get over that 100 right now. So I'm going to kind of avoid trading, and it could be a mistake. I just want to kind of wait for something else. Wow, we're just slowly going a little higher. Some bear volume here, got taken out really fast, so I think this is going to come up. And, well, no, never mind. Come on. Wow. That's crazy. It's almost a 2-hour winning trade that I didn't want to take. Calvin said, yeah, it doesn't matter how far price has gone up. I still, follow those rules. Let me know if you're watching this and you've heard me say that a couple times. What do you think? Like, am I I don't think I'm too crazy for thinking that way. It feels really weird getting in that high long. Okay, well, there's something. But again, now may bounce right off that 50 EMA. Where's price at now? Okay, we're away from this 100 a little bit. And now is about time for me to take the wrong bear trade. Short trade. Kind of like the other day. It was like we had this big volume spike, like on that last day. This is maybe would count as a close enough reset candle to get long above, but then it's like, if it doesn't clear this price, I mean, there's a good chance I can get wicked in and it can turn around. Just like that trade on the other back trade. I don't know. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Now, if price gets here, maybe I can do like a scalp. Let's see, where is it at? It's right there. Yeah. So if it takes out this candle, my stop, I'll just see if I could do a quick scalp. I wonder. The really short trade. To be honest though, my stop should be below this candle, all this volume. Or I'm going to leave it right here. Let's see. All right, so it wouldn't have been entered. That's a nice bull candle. So like I said, like I didn't want to enter here because it could have turned around, and then I don't know, would I have gotten stopped out? No, I wouldn't have gotten stopped out, but that would have been scary. I know that. New bear reset candle. Yeah. So we have two bear reset candles in the same area. And so it can, I really do want it to come up here before I don't want to lower the entry like I did before. All right. Oh man, I'm scared. And now I don't like the fact that my stop is not below this. It's like right above that low of this bull candle here. I don't like that. The price could turn around, stop me out, and then go back up. But hopefully not. Now we're definitely over. We've taken out that candle. I definitely expect some selling a little bit, but let's see if it can make it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, moving my stop. Right, moving my stop to, let's see if I was, this is around, I keep saying 0.7, but it's like around 0.7. It's a little higher than it. Okay, we'll leave it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yikes. See? Just choose the wrong. Slowly losing last week's profits. That's not cool. At this point, it's a little late in the day. I'm not going to take another trade. This all close enough candle maybe would have been, right? Even that I would have got stopped out in. No. Okay. Wow. See? And it just stopped me out and now it turned around. Well, this is a new bear reset candle. Should I try it? No way. It's just too late. No. Oh my God. Please be too late. Yeah, that was too late. Okay, good. I was about to say, if that was gonna win, I was just gonna really just kind of be upset. So, okay. Okay, we are next day above that hourly 50 EMA still. Let me try to look back here. I mean, this is just horrible to me. Like what? What did I? Oh, right. I didn't take this right here. That's what it was. That's what it was. Yeah, I just should have done it. I'm so scary. Why am I so scary? I don't understand that. All right, so I think I need to move this over once. Yeah. Okay. So that was that candle. Oh wait, no, did I just see too much? I'm so confused. I don't know what I did. Anyways. Let's see, supposed to be looking for a long trade, but let's go to the first hour because this is looking like not too good. Okay, so we're down here. Okay, yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay, so all right, go down to that 50. That's great. We're back here at the 100 on the daily. Could be a great bouncing spot. I just don't want it to run up. Okay, there. Now that's what I was wanting. Instead of it just running up and then giving a bear candle there. Okay. Again, here is a big volume bear candle, so I will get in above that. Stop. Too large of a stop. Let's see, just put it. Well, right here is the 100 here, so I'll just leave it like that. I feel like this needs to be a bigger win. Yeah, this needs to be a bigger win. The bears could push it down up here as well, but I think if they get over this candle with all that volume, then... Oh, wait, I messed up. Hang on. This bear candle doesn't have... I mean, it has a larger volume compared to the bull candles, but I was thinking this... Okay, so this is the candle that had a lot of volume. It got taken out. I could put my entry a little lower. I don't think I feel as bad. We have this candle to deal with, though. That's the problem. That's it. I have a little bit larger of a stop, so yeah. Okay, let's just see. Into the trade, right? Just got triggered in. Now I have to wait about 7 candles. 2, 3, no wait, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, okay. Tired of kind of waiting. So I'm gonna move this stop. I would love to see about a 2R win. On this, once it hits 0.2, if it does, I'll leave a runner for as long as I possibly can. I really hope it could do it. Now I gotta wait another 7 candles. Now this could definitely come all the way back down here and retest this area, this kind of neckline, and that double bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, okay, so almost, one more candle, I would be out of all of the contracts except for one, and at that point, I'm moving the stop into the green. Now, where at in the green should I move this? I'll move it below this bear candle, VWAP and 50. Where could we target, right? Where could we target? High day. Could do that. Price comes back all the way up here. I don't know if I'm supposed to see this candle or not. I'm so confused on it. I think I did the wrong thing. Anyways, okay. So, I'm going to do another 7 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, this is amazing. Okay. Now, where can I put my stop? I want to put it here. Where can I target? Where can I target? I mean, really, it's just about holding at this point. I could do the strategy where when price starts closing below the 10, then that's where I get out. So I could do that. Or I could just get out here because this is a lot. This is a lot right here. If I get out or if it hits this 2.5 R's here, I believe that will be a, okay, all right, gotta think here. We're back at that 10. Let's see if we get a closing candle. Okay, it closed, right? Dang it. Do one more. Oh no, that was horrible. Why did I do that? No, too greedy. Wow, went right to the stop. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. So that was not good. I mean, it was good. Good that it didn't lose, but I should have got out here. I was being too greedy. Dang it. So that was not even. It was more than a. I'm just going to put what it says here. 1.3. And that's it. I should not trade the rest of the day, right? After that. That's what Calvin says. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. It's coming way down. Let's see if another bull. Nope, couldn't even do that. Wow. There it is. Should I take this long? Get in. Maybe just go for 1R. Oh, but if I lose, I'll be so mad. I will be so mad if I lose. Man, this day looked like. This is reminding me of something. I'm going to go for it. I really should only stick to back trading trades that I would do in real time, huh? So this is interesting. I don't know that I would have gotten filled here on this particular. Maybe I would have right here. That would kind of suck if I did. Wow. Bear reset. Well, the bears do not want them to keep coming. I'm not counting that because I don't know. I don't know if I would have gotten filled on that. All right. Wow, talk about a consolidation. I mean, that's pretty crazy. This is what I was talking about. See how this run up here took out this nice bear candle with all that volume. That's probably why it runs up and doesn't give a bear candle opening and closing above that 10, you know, later, and you kind of miss it. So really, when I see candles like this, maybe a strategy is just getting in above them, right? Just getting in above them and, yeah, doing that. I don't know. I may have to, because I'm seeing that too much now. And I've been noticing it in the back trading. I think it's not too bad of a strategy too. Let me pause and go to the next day. Okay, this is crazy how far this has ran up on this candle. That was the last daily candle. Look at that. We're definitely above the high of that previous candle. Or not. I'm so confused with this daily chart right now. We are below it? That doesn't even make sense. I don't know what I did. Okay. Well, we are still above the hourly 50. That was probably a nice candle right there to get above. I'm just going to go hold until 9:30. Maybe we get a nice reset candle, and we do not. This thing is just going higher. No reset candle, none. Okay, we got some closes. Okay, I'll take that. So now I'm going to look for a new bear reset candle. All right, there it is. It's almost too easy. Okay, let's see. That's way too... Let's see, I'm trying to figure out where to move or have my stop. We'll do it like that. A little lower. Now, could get in right above this candle, or could try to get in above this here, but that's pretty far. We're above all the moving averages on the daily. I'm going to go for this. That's what I'm going to go for. All right, let's see if we get filled in this next candle. We do not. We do there. Yeah, because I could actually see that wick popping out from the order on the entry. So there's that. Would be filled right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, moving my stop. I haven't been able to move it. Haven't been able to move it to that 0.5R stop, except for the last day, I guess. All right, so 1, 2, 3. We did take this. Yeah, we took out this candle. 4. Oh, wait a second. Let me lower that. I'm getting 5, 6, 7. Okay, I can move it again to that 0.5. I can move it again, 0.3, and then like that. This could come down and stop me out. Let me see here. I got this candle. If we take out this candle, then we have to fight this area. Maybe we would bounce here. That would be the hope, because if not, I probably would get stopped out. All right, so we have taken out, no, not quite yet. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, can move my stop again. All right, I like that. So at this point, yeah, I'll move it right under. Let's go right under this candle. So at this point, the loss would be very small. I still don't want to lose, obviously, but it wouldn't be, you know, that bad. Just sorry, that kind of got on my nerves. Anyways, now I gotta wait another 7 candles to move my stop. I think I may get stopped at 1, 2, 3. I'll leave a runner. 4, 5. Oof. 6. Ooh. 7. Okay. Move it again, and this time I'm moving it into the green, I guess. You know, I'll move it into the green, so I'm not losing at all on this. I'll move it below this candle and this candle right here. So I'm okay. I'm kind of chilling right now. At least I know my nerves has kind of gone down a little bit because I know I'm not getting stopped out. I'm going to try to back trade to current time. It's August 27th. So I am going to want to back trade to current time. I think I'll get a pretty good feel of everything for real time trading. Okay, we got that close. Probably should have exited there. Yeah. Probably should have exited. Nice bear reset, bull reset candle to go short under, and there it is. Yep. I had that feeling. I should have got out. Should have got out. So what is this, right? This is like what? Oh, that's not even 0.3. It's so like 0.2 something win. But that's okay. You know, if every day, like if this is what a losing trade looks like, that's what I would want. A 0.2 R win. That's like a losing day or a losing trade. That would be great. So let me just go ahead and see if I went for my regular. No, it still didn't hit 1.2. Okay. Still didn't take out, well, we did. Okay, we did take out this candle. We could come lower now. Let's see. Oh man. It's tempting. It's 12:30 basically. Let's see. Maybe I just go for an R. I don't know. 1.2. Okay. Again, I would want the entry not only above here, but another strong bear candle, which would be, the next one would be here. Now the problem with this trade is getting above this candle here. This is the second candle that has a good amount of bear volume. That would be a little scary. I'll put it up just a little bit. The stop could be a little too tight. I could see that being a problem. Let's just see. All right, I'm in. 1, 2. We took out the high of that candle I was talking about. 3. So I expect something to come down for sure. 4. Wow. 5, 6, 7. Wow. Let's see, was I spot on with that? So moving the stop. 1, 2. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Dang it. I think I should get out. I should get out. It hasn't taken off this low, but if the next candle takes off this low, this is a lot of bull volume too. Let me see. Okay. Indecision candle, and we've closed now above the high of that indecision candle. I want to get out. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I can move my stop again. That's the 50% mark. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't like that. 4, 5. Wow. 6. Dang it. 7. I can move my stop again. Oops. Okay, I have to really be careful here. 1, 2, 3. That's more volume here. If we can get back up to this 10, I'll get out of the whole thing. I don't know, I don't have a ton of confidence. Okay, so I'm out, right? That's what I said. And I'll be out. Now watch this thing just explode. So that's a point, yeah, 0.53 or something. That's not bad. It's because for the day, yeah, that's almost, that's 7R win for the day. All right, let's see if this thing just totally runs up now. Yeah, it looks like it's going to. I think it's going to. I kind of don't want it to now. Oh, wait, and this was wrong anyways. I needed to go up here, right? Let's see if it would have hit that big 1.2 target. Yeah. Yep. Wow. No, I would have gotten stopped out anyways. Like if I wouldn't have got out. Now, granted, I would have had my stop in the green at this point, so I still wouldn't have lost, but I at least walked away with a little bit bigger of a win. Then, yeah, so I would have gotten stopped out. All right, and it is the next day. Okay, our next candle. I am now kind of feeling how I do in my real time trading. We have been far away from this 50 EMA for the past, we haven't touched it in a while. And I'm thinking it's magnet time, which is basically price either going down to go touch it, or maybe something happens and it just kind of meets up together and it gets a touch. So my rules say to keep looking for longs the way I've been doing, and so far they've been kind of working out. This is a Friday right here, so I do know I need to be kind of careful. I have totally not been looking at the VWAP strategy at all. VWAP and 50. I've more so been using it as targets and places to also, put my stop under or above. So that's kind of how I'm using it right now. I guess it kind of worked here. Like price moves below the 50 and the VWAP, which is this dotted line. You wait for it to come back. You can't really count this. Basically, you'd wait for for it to come back up to the VWAP and 50 area. If they're close together, you short down. They're not really close together here. It worked. It worked on the 50. So we waited for price to come back to the 50, then short, and there you go. So, but now, let me see something. I don't know. I like the way the waves kind of look here. This could come down. It could come down a little bit. That wouldn't be that surprising. Took out that. We haven't taken out this area. Well, yes, we have. Yeah, we have. Okay, what's next? This area. We take out this. We'll see, right? Let me just go ahead and draw a little line there. Make this a darker color. All right, so we'll see. Let's see what happens here. I'm supposed to be going long still. I'm getting a little like, I don't like that idea as much. But see, look at that. Like, that is so hard to not want to short below that candle. We would take out this candle here, this one, all this volume. We're coming down, right? It would be like perfect to short from here and to go down to this line. I'm not going to do it, but that's just kind of what I'm thinking. But I'm not going to do it. I'm going to really try to just follow the rules, right? Calvin's rules for this strategy. So I've taken all of that out. This needed to come a little lower. I mean, it did take it out, but that's another full reset candle over under that 10. So we'll see, kind of see here. Okay, taking out the low, could start coming back up. Okay, bulls are kind of like fighting. Okay, we're coming up. Wow, they could not close. Ooh, that's a powerful candle right there. For a candle to come all the way down like that and just bounce all the way back and close. But, so it's a nice hammer candle, but they were not able to get it over that 10. So, I don't know, it's a lot of volume though. I think I'll just wait for 9:30. Oh man. So that's the bull reset candle, that's for sure. Stop could be under this. We could go to, oh man, I don't know. I have to get over this right here. I feel like this stop is just so tight. It's below this. I'm gonna wait for 9:30. Okay, I'm gonna wait for 9:30. I'm gonna wait for 9:30. It wouldn't have gotten filled anyways. Wow. Maybe Calvin would have called this a close enough candle to short below, maybe? Let's see if we get another bear reset candle around 9:30. Wow, look at that. All right, 9:30. Right to this line. Did it get right there? Let's see if it gets all the way down. There it goes. So let's see how big of a bounce we get. I mean, okay. Ooh, we closed below. We're coming down further. See, I had that idea? But it's like I picked the wrong times in real-time trading to have those ideas. Yeah, I don't know where. And this could go. I mean, this could, again, get back down to the hourly 50 EMA. I mean, that's a long way for one day. I don't know if it'll get all the way down there, but definitely did not feel like taking a long, really. Wow. Okay. So that nice trade idea. What was it? Yeah. I mean, that risk to reward was really solid, to be honest. That was solid. Just do like that. Leave a runner at this point. What? Wow, over 2 R's on that win. Oh well. Okay, well now we've come down really low, so oh my god. Wow. Whoa. So price takes the high of that candle out, I would like this. Okay. Let's see if we could get a nice bear reset candle. It made a shoot off. Wow. And it still couldn't close above that. It may go lower. We actually, wait a second. Did I mess up? Guys, okay. I messed up. What made me mark this? Why did I mark this? Man, I really wasn't paying attention. We're not even at the market open yet. Oh, Lord. Well, hey, that wasn't a bad idea. We weren't even at... Wow. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay. That's crazy. So this is the next day, right? Yeah, this is August 15th. Okay, all right. Well, maybe I should think about trading the pre-market and stuff and post-market. All right, so now we're market open. Supposed to be looking for longs. Dang it, you know what? I wasn't thinking. When we've come down so far, this one right here, this might have been it right here. Now the stop. It's just so large. I don't like that. Let's do here. Go a little bit past VWAP. So that could be it. That could have been it. I don't know. We still haven't touched. I don't know. I wasn't paying attention, so I missed it. Okay, so glad I didn't set it up, right? Because that would be almost to the stop. So let's see if it turns around. Wow. Wow. Let's see if we get another bear reset candle. We do. I just wish it was closer to 9:30. Above the 50 EMA. Could do this. Could do this. What should I do? Let's see if I get filled on this next candle. Nope. Okay. Oh no. I'm filled on this candle. And I'm pretty sure my stop is way too tight. It is. It's 9 o'clock. Hey, let's look at the orb strategy, right? So let's say, so this would be, I know, they're like, wait, you're doing something all of a sudden so different. Yeah, I know. 30-minute opening range breakout. So this is, we're going to get a red candle here. We didn't. Okay, so it'd be a breaking out of the 30-minute opening range. I don't like this. That red candle that pops up, it could come way down here like it closed way below this, or it'll be a nice, friendly bear reset candle. A new reset candle. Okay, that's all right. That's a little friendly. Now, we could come down, and it would be great to get another friendly bear reset candle. So I'm in the trade 1, 2, 3. Wow. 4. We're not out of the woods yet. 5. We're a little bit, we're making our way out. 5, 6, 7. Okay. So at that point, I'm going to go ahead and move that stop. Something like that. Let's make sure this is kind of a little high. All right. 0.7 R stop move. Okay. I'm going to wait another 21 minutes. All right. So at this line, that's where I have to, move the stop again. I don't know. I think this is going to be a fake out, and just come right back. I mean, if we take the high, this area all the way down to this low, we are past the 50% mark, which is kind of good. We could retest, and that's where it could flush down. Or this is the bounce. Let's continue higher. This area. Oh, that's 0.4. Let's go for 0.3. Again, I need to practice doing that 0.3 target. Okay, so let's go ahead and wait. Oh yeah, it's not even 9:30 yet. So we could get a reset candle here. 9:30, wasn't able to close below that 10. That's good. Let me get that out. I don't really like this candle. It's a doji, right? Or high wave candle. It's indecision. Yeah, we can start breaking down. We just got to make it to this right here to move the stop. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to move the stop. Right. We're going to move that puppy. I think I'm liking now. I think I'm liking the fact that I'm really practicing moving my stop. I'm doing the little 21-minute rule because now I think I am going to get stopped out on this, but 2, yeah. Okay, but that was just a 0.5 R loss. That's so much better than the full R's or even 0.7 R's I've been taking in my real-time trading. Yeah, so, okay. Got stopped out there. I think this is maybe going to the 50. I don't know. We would have to get... So, small loss. Can we close back over? Wow. Big candle. So as the opening range, it came back into the opening range, right? So it's kind of like in this limbo land. Maybe it comes back out. Maybe we get that nice bear reset candle here, get in above all this, and then it goes up. That'd be cool. Literally just like that. Yeah, so I'll get in above this candle with all this volume. Maybe even above the VWAP. Nah, I don't know. Okay. Stop. I could do that. I think I could do that. Trying to think if I should just go for 1R. Or if I should just do 1.2. Let's see this next candle. Okay. I think I'm going to get filled on this next candle. Let's see what else. We took out these two. These two candles had some good volume. We took those out. I wonder if my stop is too tight. And now looking back, so this is one reason why I just sit there and said I like practicing this 21-minute move stop loss thing. But if this works out, I'll tell you why for so long I did not practice that that rule because, as you can see, got in this trade, and I remember what I was doing was, instead of moving it 21 minutes, as you know, the first time I get triggered in, I wait about like anywhere from 40 to like an hour to move my stop the first time, right? So at this point, I would not have moved my stop. So this trade, I would have still been in this trade, which means I wouldn't have lost, right? Now, if this works out and turns around, now after about the hour mark, then I start doing the 21-minute rule move thing. But, you know, as you can see, I don't know. I'm going to try this out for a little bit. So we're going to move it 21 minutes. So here's one. Okay. Let me just go ahead and mark this out, right? Just do it like this, just to really keep track of it. Got kind of a double bottom here. We haven't touched that 50. I'm still thinking it's coming down to that 50. And we sort of possibly have... I don't know. We definitely have this. How can I draw that better? Let me see here. Maybe from here to get a little bit more touches. Yeah, like something like that. We definitely could come down. This is possibly a pennant-ish pattern. We'll see. Yeah. There's a retest. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay. Not bad, not bad. So at this point, moving that stop. If you're watching this far, let me know if you like these back trading videos or what. And give me some tips. Like maybe I'm just doing this so bad. Like, I don't know. Just give me some tips if you have any on back trading. If you're a good back trader or also a good trader in general. Okay. So now at that point, so I guess the thing I'm focusing on in this particular back trading session is really focusing, on having smaller losses when I have them, right? Now, let's think about this, right? Because at this point, I could probably start to look to get out just to even get this back. And then that's it. But I don't want to do that, right? So we have surpassed the bear candle that had a lot of volume. So that's good. Now back here, we have this candle. We did take out the high, but we started kind of pulling back from it. Could get a bigger retest of this area before coming, moving up. Got some bear volume stepping in here. Wow, nice hammer candle. If that gets taken out, I would think, we might come down a bit. Wow, that's just absolutely incredible. So 1.2, I'll leave a runner. What did I leave a runner? Oh yeah. So let's see. Get this just like that. And what can we target? We'll just do as long as we can, right? At that point, it just doesn't matter. I'll start looking for the closes back below, if it gets up here, right? It may not. Wow. So at that point, I can move the stop again, and we'll do it. .5, so that's another now what I don't like is that we have definitely run up and without a real like pullback. I have this like double bottom. We tested the neckline and kind of went out. It's also interesting, right? We kind of use that orb strategy a little bit to get to do this trade. So I liked that. I don't know if we're going to come up any more higher, right? So let's just see. Oh my God, it almost got, okay, there. So on this candle, I'd be out of all my contracts except for one. I try to leave a runner for as long as I can. At that point, it doesn't matter if the 21-minute rule, at that point, you move the stop. Where should I move the stop? I'll move it like right here. All right, so I'm not losing on this trade. So that means I'm going to have a smaller loss on the day. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. I know at this point I need to secure as much profit because now obviously I know this, right? This is that huge run up, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I already know what's coming. I'm going to try not to, you know, think a certain way. I'm going to try to just, you know, not be too biased. But yeah, so let's see how far we can get. What is it set at? 2 R's. Don't really like these wicks here. We could come down. If we come down and close, I'll just go ahead and get out of the trade. Which means that runner really didn't run. Didn't really run. Sure didn't. Let's see. Hopefully it can kind of get past this area. All right. Wow. At that point, I want to move my stop to secure it even more. I'll just move it under here. So at this point, well, actually, by this point, I've already got this loss back. Shaved bottom candle, price could definitely come here. If this candle gets taken out, probably looking to close. Okay, it got took out there. Let's see if it closes below the 10 now. Still hasn't closed. I have to really think about this here. There it is. Can't get that runner right. Can't get that runner right. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of keep it open. Let's see. Dang, man. If it can come back here, I can get out. If it doesn't stop me out. Bear volume. Come on, let's take out that high. Oh no, it's so close. Dang it. Well, this is coming down, I think. It's probably going to come down to the 50, and this stop is probably too close to stop me out. May come down to this area and turn, you know, go back up. Oh, it's later in the day, too. Well, no, it's just 12. Okay. Yes. No. No. Okay, there's a 50. It could bounce. Hopefully it bounces here, or it's going to stop me out. Not quite a runner, huh? Should I just exit when it comes back here? I think I screwed this up. And that's the first bull reset candle, too. Wow, I don't know what to do right now. It's like, what's the point of like leaving a runner and like just closing out at the same spot? I think I should do that though. Let's see, one more candle. Let's see. Okay, now this was some good bear volume here. Let's see one more candle. This is so, I know this is probably not smart. It really isn't. I'm about to get stopped out. There it is. Okay. Okay, whatever. It's like I just go against my gut feeling so much. Let's just say that's a 1R. I don't know what the exact thing is. I'm not trying to do the math and all that right now. At least I got that one back. So that's it. That's it for that day, this day. Let's see what price does. Let's see if it, remember I said it could stop me out and continue going. Let's see if it does that. I kind of don't want it to now, of course, but it sure might. It's a nice bull reset candle here. So that trade would be, again, getting in above this. Stop. I'm not placing this trade. I'm just kind of messing around. Okay, I think, wow, look at that. That's a little too late in the day. Still bounced pretty high. I'm shocked that it hasn't. What? Okay, wow. So, right at the candle, the end of the day, or end of that close, it comes up. Wow. So this is a 0.5 all winning day. Final. Okay, so there's that. That's the next day. So we still didn't quite come back down to that hourly 50 EMA. So I've heard Calvin in real life trading, the one who has this setup like these strategies like this. He's always said like this 10 EMA strategy with these rules work best on a trending day, you know, when we've taken out the highs of the previous candle on the daily, and I do see that, you know, it doesn't work the best when price is consolidating on the daily, and that is very apparent just by this back trading that I'm doing here. Maybe today. Wow, price even respected still that previous day's 30-minute opening range area. These blue lines still kind of bounced. That's pretty crazy. Let me delete these. Maybe I'll do the same thing. Look for the opening range at 9 o'clock. Doing a 30-minute one. I'm supposed to be looking for longs, so wow. Yeah, this might go touch that 50 now. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oof, yeah, that's, I don't know. All right, so this is the 30-minute mark, right? 9 o'clock. So it would be, this would be the high, this would be the low, right? So VWAP in 50. Yeah, that's not in play at all. All right, let's see what this next candle. So that was previous day's candle. All right. Wow. Okay. Bear reset candle. This is like the last day, or it was the last day, yeah, where that bear candle formed right under that, where it should break for the 30-minute opening range thing. And I wonder if we could do the same thing. Will it work the same? I don't know. I'm a little scared. It's a large stop. There's the 50. I don't quite like that stop. Took out this candle, took out this candle. It is 9:09. Trying to wonder if this stop is too large. Right, because I'm going for 1.2. I don't know, I don't like it. I'm gonna take it anyways. Hopefully I just don't get filled, right? Oof. Wow. Yeah, that's... Gotta go ahead and cancel that real quick. So I guess it would be kind of like the opposite, right? So maybe if a bull candle pops in, that would be good to short under. But then the 50 EMA is like right there on the hourly. This may be the day we get that touch. Oh my God. And it still couldn't close under that 10 EMA on the 3 minute. Wild. What is this black line? I forgot. I mean, it's kind of holding it. I don't know what. I remember drawing it. I don't remember why. I'm just going to delete it. Okay, so it still didn't really make a touch to that hourly 50. Now we're at 9:30. Okay. So we're back now at that 30-minute high. Let's see if we get that nice bear candle now. I'm not going to lie, with that rule that Calvin has, where he does not, and he really does not trade the first hour, it's really crazy because right at 9:30, like from 9:24 to like 9:30, you know, just 9:33, 9:36, like there's always some type of, or like a lot of times there's a perfect like reset candle to take. So what I would do, I guess here, is I would have it above the 30-minute high. We already kind of had a fake out there. But at this point now, if you wanted to play an hour opening range breakout, this would be the high. This would be the low. I don't... We'd basically be trying to play the breakout of basically this consolidation. And I don't even know where did I put my stop, right? We could go under the 50% mark a little bit. So it could be like that, or also sometimes big candles. It could be the 50% mark of big candles, so it could be down here. I mean, that's not the worst stop in the world. It'd be above this, but really I would like to see it above here, but I don't know. I'm not going to. I should put a little higher. Can't get above there. Okay, let's see. Just lower a little bit. Let's see if I would get filled here. Not quite yet. Nice hammer candle. If that gets taken out, I don't know. Wow. Right there. What I don't like is when prices come up to these levels, like it's just leaving wicks. Wicks. I don't want to just get wicked in. I don't know. I'm still going to kind of leave it. So, okay, so at least that wasn't a wick. I mean, that's the body got in there. But I'm just not too sure on this trade. Well, we have all of this to go through, and yeah, I don't know. So I just want to manage my stop the best I can right now. If we even make it to the first 21 minutes, I mean, we could just slam down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. Wow. Okay. I mean, I will take it. You know, I will. So right here, 0.7R, but I really am going to be honest. I really think that I should kind of consider maybe getting out. I don't know. I'm thinking about getting out because I don't know. I don't know if this will make it all the way. I really don't. Let me just set up the 0.5 stop loss if we make it. Okay, so we have this candle. This volume gets taken out. I would think, yeah, we're coming down. I don't know how far, but so let me see. Okay. Price did take out this candle low, so I don't quite like that. Now we're at the 0.5 R stop loss. So I mean that's cool, but we would have to wait another 21 minutes to move the stop if I don't get out. So that looks like, and it would be a small loss at that point. Like that's definitely smaller. I don't like that it's above this VWAP. Let's see, where are we at? We did kind of push up through a lot of this, but we started coming down exactly this level. Okay, I think what I'll do is this, right? The stop is 66, right? So I would have 2 contracts, and I think what I'll do, let me see. Yeah, I mean, if we can get here, I'll leave, I would get out of 1. I've been wanting to practice this kind of stuff too. Like maybe just taking profit, and then leave the other one to maybe hit my, original 1.2R target if it can get that high. Trimming here would mean if this turns around, stops me out, the loss is even smaller. So I don't mind that. Let's see. So right there on that very candle, I would have got out of one contract, and now we're going to see what happens. All right, we got this stop here already set. So the next time I do a stop, it's going to be into the green. Unless the target is hit. Now also what I could think about is once it gets to this, no, I'll get out. I was about to say to leave a runner, but I don't know. I don't know if a runner would do well right now. Let's see. 1, 2, yeah. 3. Okay. At this point, I will be out. It did not stop me out here. Let me think. Okay. Came down. This is a lot of bear volume right here. We bounced again off that 30-minute opening range. That's cool. We're close to taking the high out of this candle. Let me see one more candle. We took out the high. I mean, I could just put my stop in the green if I'm not worried. But I mean, these wicks here could be a good little support. But another candle. Wait, technically, okay. So wait a second. Wait another 21 minutes. And then from here, wait a second, we are at, oh, we're past the 21. Okay, so I can actually move this into the green. Whoops, why did that? Let's put it right there. So, I mean, I'm not losing, right? Not losing. Got a nice little bear reset candle. It's so tiny. This is, but now I feel a little bit better. Maybe if we come back up here, I'll just exit, you know. I don't know if it'll go all the way to the 1.2 target right now. Nice bear candle. Nice bull volume here. It's, or wait, no, on this one. Yeah, if that gets taken out, I'm getting stopped out. Let me see here. This, the high of this, we're above the 50% mark. What about if we just do the bear candles to the close? We're still above that. And also, yeah, we're obviously above that. Okay. Nice hammer. Let's see if we can take out the high of that hammer. It does. That's not, okay. Yeah, I like that. Like that. They're really, I mean, I could move. There's not too much of a spot I can, like, move the stop to continue letting the trade breathe. Like this, I guess I'll do it like this. You know, I guess I'll just do it like this, right? So again, it's a little deeper into the green. Maybe you gotta think about exiting soon. Maybe I'll just go for 1R because I don't know if it's gonna go to 1.2, 1.3. I don't know. We have this error consolidation and now it's consolidating again, like pushing up. Wow, okay. So it did it. And I'll just get out there. I don't know, I was very skeptical of this trade. Anyway, so I'm out on that one. So yeah, that's basically an R, right? Which isn't too bad. Obviously, I'm going to be upset if, you know, this obviously goes up higher. So we'll see. And it probably will, you know. That happens to me a lot. Look at that. Scared for no reason. Yeah. I remember this day. I remember this day. Yep. Yeah. So definitely was not the, I think I was scared because it just wasn't pretty. It wasn't a pretty trade at all. I mean, it was just a lot of craziness. So, but look. Dang it. Oh, well. Wow. I remember this day. Yep. So now, 19th. 18th. Right. I'm going to wait for the next candle. Before I continue, right? So basically for that particular week, walked away, again, air quotes, with almost 2 R's. So I definitely recovered from that Monday where I lost 1.4 R's. So still kind of sucks, but you know, it could have been worse. All right, I like this little, keeping my eye on the little opening range thing. We still, price, I mean, obviously came really close to the 50, you know, hourly 50 EMA, but hasn't really touched it yet. I mean, it's been a long time, so maybe this is it. VWAP and 50. Yeah, I have not been looking at that strategy. Let's see if that strategy worked here, because I wasn't paying attention. No, not really there. Not really there. What didn't really set up. Crossed over. Nope, not here. Here. Nope. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about that strategy anymore. I mean, I like it, but it has to like set up perfectly. And it's like, it just doesn't give a lot of opportunities to me, which is fine. But, you know, I'm looking for something. You know, I'm looking for something. So let's just see here what happens. Oh no, whoops. Hang on. Forgot that these changed. Wait. Okay, so now we're at the market open. Kind of wanted to look at this pennant here. It like faked out, broke down, and now this is kind of confusing me. Do I have this line? Now we're kind of riding there, breaking out. Come back up here. We're still above, so I'm supposed to be looking for longs. Oh man, it just feels so bad looking for long. I mean, this is what I've been saying. I've been saying this for I don't know how long. Look at this run up. I just don't like it, but it's working. I mean, I can't deny, you know, I just can't deny the, I mean, the proof is right here, but okay. Let's try to do the opening range thing. Boom. Let's see. And boom. That's the 30-minute opening range. I'll just go ahead and delete that. Same thing. So this is 30 minutes. We got a bear candle. So if bull, I really don't like this one. If bulls are going to push it up, could be like that. I'm not going to do that one though. Could be wrong. That one looks a little scary to me. Let's see. Breaking down. All right, let's see. Maybe got kind of a hammer-ish style. Okay, let's see if we can close below that 30-minute opening range thing. No, we're bouncing. I think this is going to be fake. Double top up here, neckline can come here. Now we're almost at the 30-minute right there. 30-minute, but I'm supposed to be still looking for long setups. I don't want to go long. I don't want to. Nope. A lot of air volume. If this gets taken out, maybe it would come higher, and then that'd be great. But then we're at the double top neckline. That could push us down. Okay. Let's see. It's coming down. Golly. Adjust. Another big bear volume candle. Again, could take out the high of this coming up. But then we have this one to face too. Oof. Oh. I don't know about that. Didn't get that bear reset. Oh, look, double bottom could be forming. Okay. Okay, so let's think about this here. You got the 30-minute opening range breakout. We've come back, we're retesting it. We closed inside of it. Now we have a bear candle opening and closing above the 10. Could go long here. That setup would look something like this and could go for 1.2. I don't like this as much. Now we did take out the high of this candle, which had a lot of volume, so that's cool. But now we have this candle to kind of worry about, which would put us basically right at the neckline of this double top, which then price could roll over and stop me out. But this is the setup. I don't like that the 50s right here or the VWAP. We could come to these, you know, this and turn around. And we can come right here and turn right around. That is not far-fetched. So I'm nervous on this one. But I'm going to go ahead and go for it. Let's see if it actually gets filled here. If it doesn't, I'm good. I don't have to worry. Okay. I wish that candle would have closed below that 10 EMA, because then I would have canceled this trade. But that didn't happen. Oh, man. And on that candle, I'm filled. Okay, stop might be a little too tight. Can we beat this double top up here? I don't think so. That's my prediction. So I gotta figure out what, can we even make it 21 minutes before getting stopped out for a full R? Let's see if we can. 1, 2, nope. 3. Oh man, this is not good. And there's the bull reset candle to go short. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Okay. Wow. New question. Well, no, not really, because so this is basically 0.5, and this will be this is 0.7, right? Now, I gotta kind of think about this, because I don't like that the stop is not really clearly under this. I do want to move it, but maybe 0.7 is too high. Maybe I have to go for like right here, 0.8 or something. I don't know. And I just want to get out. To be honest with you, I want to get out of this trade. I don't like it, but I did the same thing on the previous day, and look what happened. It just ran. I only got a 1R out of that. Now, let's see if we can get a bear reset candle here. There it is. It's a little high from the 10 EMA, so I don't like that. The 10 EMA is trying to cross that 50. This is kind of make it or break it time to me. Here's that candle I said we have to kind of worry about right there. Let's see. I would have 2 contracts here. Can we survive another 21 minutes before thinking about exiting at least one contract? I'm really not sure we can. Okay. Yeah, we may come down here. Yep. 21 minutes, right? There's a 0.5. Stop. And almost there. Bull reset candle. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's gonna stop out here. Yep. Okay. Maybe could have considered getting out there, but okay. It's all right. But see, that was a smaller loss, right? Because in my real trading, I don't move the stop like that. And let's see if I would have gotten stopped out on the original stop loss. Yeah, I would have. So yeah, I'm just going to have to do that 20. I mean, I know what I said. Like, there are a lot of times where I do that 21-minute rule and then I get stopped out at the original or like, you know, at the stop and then it goes. But this really is, I'm losing a lot less on these trades. I'm going to have to do that. Maybe we get that touch now, the 50. I mean, if it doesn't touch this day, I'm going to go a little crazy. Yeah, I think I'll go a little crazy. All right, so we got a lot of, we have a lot of bear volume here. We took it out. So let's see. Let's see if we can get a little higher than that candle. Looks like we're doing it. That's almost a strategy literally within itself. I mean, on the 3 minute, coming down, see crazy candles. If we're supposed to be going long, this might be a good signal to like go long above this candle. Like, let's just kind of pretend, right? Be like that, put the stop under the low of that candle and just see, you know, this may not work today. So I think we're maybe going to come down and touch this level here, but I just want to see. Wow, really nice hammer candle. Could be fake though. Wow. Just like for 1R. Let's see if it'll get it up there. I don't think it, oh, it did. Yeah, I mean, that's not bad. This ended up being a double bottom anyways. No, I didn't take it, so it's okay. Wasn't paying attention because I was thinking of that trade, so this would have been the next one I should have set up. So yeah, missed it though, right? I'm gonna consider that, and it would have won too. So I would have won back that and then some. That's okay. I want to act like that would have been something I walked away from and couldn't see on the computer. That happens all the time. Let's go ahead and go through this day. It still didn't come down and touch that 50. I'm like flabbergasted right there. I'm like really flabbergasted. Now, final, I'm saying thoughts for the day. What's interesting is on the opening range breakout thing, we weren't able to really come back, you know, and recover. So this could be, you know, maybe the next day, finally, we'll touch the hourly 50 EMA. Oh, let me go ahead and move a candle, right? So I'm guessing, yeah, this was this day here. All right. All right, there's that first bear candle. I'm trying to remember now. I know I'm not supposed to. I'm trying to remember the next. Because again, I know this, right? I know this. We're now closer to current time. I'm pretty sure the next one is a down day, but I'm not totally sure. We're above all the moving averages here. So again, I'm supposed to be still going long because we're above the hourly 50 EMA. This literally now has not been actually like touched in, I mean, wow. I mean, this is crazy. I mean, a really long time. When it comes to like day trading, it's been a long time. Let's go back. Right. Okay. Skeptical of going long. Let's look for that 30-minute opening range breakout though. Yeah, that's perfect. You know what? You know, I think I'm going to do that because you've heard me say I have FOMO because like I miss out on trades in that first hour. I know Calvin is like, no, you have to wait, but I see some really good setups sometimes within that first hour. Maybe I can use this opening range breakout to help me. Whoa, I don't know what just happened there. Use that to determine whether I should take a trade within that first hour. So far, like this. Whoops. That has almost worked. Just taking this candle, move the entry down, and that almost could have worked. Right? So that's the 30-minute. Let's just see what happens here. Coming. It's the first bear reset candle, opening and closing below that 10. We're a little far from the 10 right here. And at this point, okay, everything, the daily 10 is down here. Okay, I mean, How would that even be, right? How would that be? It'd have to be entered in, you know, above this huge crazy wick. And what would be the stop? You just see something. That's not like the craziest stop. I don't like this run up. You know me. I don't like that. Maybe I'll just wait till 9:30. Now wait a second. Wait a second. 50 EMA. May. We've crossed above and they look like they're trying to come closer together. Could, maybe now, this setup will work. See, would have totally been wicked in. Oh no, if I would have had the entry right above. Glad I put it up here. Now, is this a tweezer top pattern? The high? It is. So tweezer top candles, if you don't know, are candles. Now this candle should have been a little bigger, but it's basically candles that have the same high. They have the same exact high, and that's usually a pretty good signal to go short. This is a big candle. Price could come up to the 50% mark of this candle. It could be a good time to get in and to roll over and go. I'm obviously not doing that, but that's kind of a little sign maybe that maybe that long trade is just not going to work today. Let's see. Ooh, look at that hammer candle. Wow. That is amazing. Okay. So if we pass these tweezer tops, I think that would be great. Let's see. I'm scared though, because I'm like, should I set the trade up? Same entry. Entry would be the same. I mean, that hasn't changed. Now the stop, that's crazy. Maybe like that. Oh, I forgot. That's right. Hang on. The gap. Okay, I remember this day for sure. Okay, I remember this day for sure. Yeah. I'm gonna pretend like I don't, right? So I would set this up here. The stop, I don't like the stop really, but you know, we'll see. Let's see, 9:30. I don't remember. What does the candle do for 9:30? Okay, so that doesn't make me as nervous. So now, the 30-minute opening range breakout would also be these levels, the same levels for an hour opening range breakout. So that's kind of strong, huh? Let's see if we can get another bear reset candle above that 10. Wow. Yep, there's that. This may just shoot right off. Yeah, that is not. And at this point, we have filled that gap. So yeah, it's not time to do a, not time. Jeez Louise. Wow. The 50 on the hourly, it has to. Wow, bounced right off that opening range thingy. Okay, it updated finally. I think we'll come down, touch it. Let's see. Wow. The bulls are like, no. Wow. Ooh. Okay. I kind of don't like the fact that we are like in this kind of middle-ish area of the opening range thing. I don't like that. And my stop would definitely be moved to be under all of these. They're kind of crowded together, which is not too bad. That could be a cross is happening and we could come up. I'm trying to remember now what price did on this day. I don't remember. I do remember it did like go and fill the rest of that gap though. Could go back to the same level. Where? Let's see here. 50% mark of this big candle. Maybe that's where I should enter. I'm doing this setup. I'm pretty sure it's going to lose if I get triggered in, but I'm doing it just because of the rules. I'm trying to get in the habit of really following Calvin's rules a little bit better, besides being able to, take some trades within the first hour of that market open. Don't know if this one will get triggered though. I think this might have been like a real choppy day. I wouldn't be surprised if it is. And that is the bull reset candle. So this trade would be canceled. Yay! Don't have to be scared. Looks kind of like a head and shoulders here. Okay, let's see if we can break now this area here. Okay. I want to flip to short. I'm not going to lie to you. Like, see, I was thinking of getting in below that. Stop up here. Limit sell. I'm saying limit sell. So if price comes in, I'll be in. Let's see. If price comes up, I don't think it will. Almost there. Okay, so I'd be in on this trade. We're flipping short. Yes. I mean, this probably maybe wasn't the best move because usually price has to be a little bit closer to the 50 EMA on the hourly. But we'll see. So now at this point, right, this is the first like short trade I've taken in this back trading session this whole time. So this is later. This is for 0.5R, and then we need the 0.7R stop, which will be, I'll say, somewhere here. Right, so can we wait 21 minutes after entering before getting stopped out? So that is right here, basically. I don't know. We could get stopped out here. Let's see if we get a close. And if we take out this candle here, we should probably come up. And I may want to consider getting out of everything. Yep, took it out. Dang. We could. Let's just see. Dang, man. It's crazy. So we're at the 21 mark. I'll move it like up here, right? And then the next, I might have had the right idea, whoops, but timing might be bad. Might get stopped out here. Oof. Right there at that VWAP. Where is the freaking bear reset candle? Okay, there it is. Jeez. Now that I think about it, I don't know why I didn't have my original stop above these wicks here. I don't know what I was thinking. That's where I probably should have placed it above at least this one. Maybe even this one. Dang, okay, stopped out. Let's say that's like a 0.8 loss. Okay, so I tried to flip and got burned. Probably shouldn't have done that. It's okay. Or like 0.9, huh? That's like a 0.9. So that's probably the worst loss I've taken so far ever since that day. On that Monday where I lost 1.4 Rs on the day. So I want to get this back. Don't really know too much about going long. We got back into the opening range. Look at this. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know. This looks weird to me. I don't know what I should do. All right, we may come back up to the top here and then price will figure out what it's going to do. Let's see. Oh my God, I just totally remember this day. This was when Jerome Powell was speaking. Got it. This was it. And I took a short trade. I took a short trade somewhere. Where did I take that short trade? I took some kind of trade and lost, I remember. Or I maybe went long here or here. I don't know. I did something. And when this candle happened, it just blasted through my stop. Okay. Yeah. So, and that's actually funny because on this particular day, this actually was a winning day for me in real time because I was just obsessed with wanting to catch that move down to the hourly 50 EMA. I looked at all this and I looked at, man, we haven't touched that 50 in so long that I know it's going to happen. And that's what I took this trade and won that loss back. And I don't think I traded again. I don't remember. But yeah, I actually won on this trade. But looking back, now that I'm doing this back trading, I don't, with the rule of going long above this 50 EMA, and just that idea not leaving my head about taking a trade down to the 50 EMA on the hourly, like I ended up losing more money than, if I would have just played the rules that I've been playing and not been so fixated on basically going against the trend, because that's essentially what I was doing. So now we look for a long, this V shape. Now we've reset here. Let's see if we can get a bear candle opening and closing above that 10 EMA. Wow, it's a strong candle there. There it is. Let's think about this. So basically, I'd be going long. I'm wondering. Now I'm trying to remember now if there were any other good setups after Jerome Powell, after all of this. I think there was let's see, we can make it to the top, basically. This opening range. Let me see, can I put it above here? I don't know. This is, yeah. I may want to consider doing that, at least above the open of that candle. So I'm going to do that. Let's see if I can get something back here. I don't remember now. I think it just was kind of choppy. It might have ran a little bit. Wow. Okay, so into the trade. Also took out the high of this candle. Now I have to wait. at 21 minutes for moving the stop to around 0.7. I'm so sorry it's taking me, I'm trying to think also how I should record these to where it saves me editing time, but you guys don't have to see too many of me pausing to set this kind of stuff up. I could pause the video every time I'm like doing the stops and stuff like that, but shaved bottom candle, this price could definitely come down here. I don't know. Next area I want to get over is this. All right, let's see if we can make it 21 minutes without getting stopped out. Oh yeah, because I definitely didn't. This is already a 9. Dang. Yeah, I don't want to lose. This, yeah, I don't want to lose on here. So far it's kind of fighting. Did take out this high. I would have to consider. So this is 37 points, right? So I would have like 3 contracts, and maybe I would want to consider taking one off. Oh, man, this is where it gets hard. I'm gonna wait for 21 minutes. I'm not gonna look. Wait, so we got 1. I'm not gonna look. Close my. Walked away from the trade. Wow. Okay. Greatness. Woo. Okay, so I've been out. All right, and that's it. That's it for me. I remember. Okay, yeah, this candle was crazy. I forgot if we got above this candle. I think maybe we did. So that was a. Man, that those rules of still continuing to go long above this, I just got in my head about that too much. I should not have. I probably would have been already to like a payout, or like I would have, you know, hit I don't know if I would have gotten paid out, you know, I don't know, but I think I would have been pretty good in my Apex account by this time. And I'm kind of kicking myself now. But this 30-minute opening range thing is kind of helping me a little bit. So I'm just going to kind of play that. Yeah, it did. It did take out that that high. Okay. So yeah, let's go to the next day, see what this did. All right. Wow. So even, let me see. Yeah. Okay. Well, it wouldn't have worked here to go long. You could have literally just played this double bottom and literally just enter right at the 50 where the double bottom is. A little bit like that. Stop below. Would have won on that. Almost 1 point. That's 1.7 Rs. That's crazy. Well, actually, no, I couldn't have been in the trade at this point on Apex. It would have kicked me out. Okay, so it's the next day. I'm going to do the opening range thing again. Maybe this, I know we're going to, because I know this price action already, because this is what we were in. I do know we're going to consolidate on the daily. Whoops. So let's see if this opening range thing kind of helps me, because I took horrible trades, I think. So we got to go to 9. We got 9. One more. Here we go. 9 o'clock. And I already don't like the way this looks. All right. But let's see if this helps us. Helps me. Okay, I remember something about this day. I remember this candle. Now, what did I do? Did I go long here or did I go short? It doesn't matter what I did, because what I'm trying to do right now is follow Calvin's rules, at least when it comes to just continuing to go long above this hourly 50 EMA, even if I lose. you know, I want to really fully trust in that rule. I don't know why. I just don't in my real time trading. I just don't. It's kind of hard for me. So let's see here. So we've broken that opening range. We're going to go maybe to the 50 again. Yeah, so the daily is like right here. Somewhere maybe a little higher. I don't know. Still above the, I think I went short. I think I did do this. Pretty sure I got under both these candles. No, I don't know if I did that. I don't know what I did. Okay. Doesn't matter. All right, let's go to 9:30 because this is looking like dog water so far. Okay, 9:30. So now let's see if the bears are going to flip this, right? Nice bull candle. Let's see if we can get above. We're still above, so maybe we can go long again. I kind of don't think so. Wow, nice indecision candle. What does it do? Looks like it's going to try to break down. Can it close? Can it close above that 10 again? Because I want to flip, but I think this was the real strong bear day for a good win. I think that it was this day. So, where's the bear candle? See, don't know if you would consider this a close enough candle to go long above here. Stop right there. Yeah, this is not going to work. But again, I want to get good at these rules and I want to get better at taking smaller losses. So stop. Yeah, it could definitely go right there. Now, if I don't get triggered on this trade, which I hope I don't. Okay, also, yeah, this is a shaved top candle. The price came to it and is pushing down. Maybe it doesn't go above. Last thing I want to do is get wicked in and it turn around. So maybe this won't trigger. I kind of don't want it to. I kind of want it to come down a little further, give another bull candle. I would like the bull candle to be a little closer to this 50, then I could flip, but oh wow. Okay, let's see that bull candle. There it is. All right, now is the time. I could lose on this, but I want to take a chance on stop above this high here and above this. Well, that already kind of got tested. I could have a shorter, a little bit. The only thing I can say is I don't like these wicks. Don't like them. This was an indecision candle. I've said all the time, sometimes people play the trend on these. Literally, I've taught some people literally play candles like this where they say, well, what's the trend doing? Okay, get in above the high of that indecision candle, target whatever you're going to target, put your stop below it, and there you go. And I remember back trading these type of things for a little bit, and they fake a lot of times. Like they'll break out and then fake. So maybe this is that rollover down. Sure hope so. And there's such a good chance right now that I'm going to get wicked in because of this entry. I mean, really the better entry is right here. To be honest, I'll just compromise a little bit and have it a little bit above that. So let's see. Now, depending on these, now I like that. Whoa. Wow. Well, I guess it needed that. I mean, to really get across this area, it needed something really strong. It did need that. Okay, so only thing I don't like about these strong candles like that when I get, when I get triggered in on these candles is sometimes, and I've heard this from somebody else that I follow, that I really like, and it's kind of interesting, his take on really big rip ups or down is like, he says the bigger the rip up or down, the bigger the shoot back up. And it kind of like can fake a lot of people out in a way. So I kind of don't, I realize likening, I don't know what I'm saying. I could be so stupid sounding to people. Anyways. Let's see if I can wait 21 minutes. I will leave a runner. All right, leave a runner. My eye, something's in my eye. Let's get to 21 minutes. All right, so at that point, I've already gotten out, so I don't even need to have my stop right here. I can instantly move it into the green. And I don't know what I would target. Let's see. Got this low. Oh, that's right. Isn't this the low that I said if we take that? No, that was way earlier. Let's see, where should I? It's hard because I can't see the daily. I can't really see where the daily is. Right? I guess it's right here, right? So we could come down. That's a little too far, huh? Yeah, no, it's too far. Maybe down here. I'm thinking this area, or I should say up down here. This is right. This is what I was trying to target. This area right here. Do it a little bit above. I mean, it's really literally right there. 2.4 our win. Or I could also do the thing where I look for the price to start closing up, and I am going to do that based on this candle. Or I really should get out. I mean, look at that. 3 R's. I've never won a 3 R winning trade. I mean, I'm trying to remember this day now and remember really lock that in there. Let's see something. Can we do, am I being too greedy? I think I am. Okay, I'll be out. I'll just be out. I'll be out right there. Oh my God, that is so good. Why can't I trade like this in real time? I would be, it would be so much better. Wow. And I'm telling you right now, after this win, I wouldn't want to give this back, I would not even keep trading after this, right? And I'm talking about the next days. Like, I just don't think I would. I'm glad I got out there. Wow. So, because it was that support area anyways. Let's see what else it does. Let's see. Yeah. Wow. Even taking this candle short worked. Stop above the high of this candle with a lot of volume. And let's see if it gets down to 1.2. So if I didn't see this and did this, let's see if that would have worked. I would have moved my stop by now to 0.7 or 0.5, whatever. Oh my God, barely. That would make me so mad. And it may just go right up now. Will it come down? Come on. Oh, it did. Okay, great. That would have been horrible. Okay, so even that worked. That reset candle, again, we're below that 50. That should really give me the confirmation that to really believe in what Calvin said. It doesn't matter how far we've gone. If we're below, try to pick the best candle you can to go short. Same thing with the longs. That's what I literally did. Wow. That candle worked. Also, I think this candle works. This really small candle. Put it above there. I mean, it's right there for the 1.2. Let's see if it gets there. Golly. Why have I been going against that so hard? I mean, I really have been pushing that. Watch tomorrow, I like trade. And I'm following it, and it, you know, it just totally doesn't work. There's that daily 10. It updated. So now we're close to that. It had the opening range. Did the opening range help us? Not really. Like, well, not really. Because we're still above the hourly 50 EMA. Like, I'm not. I mean, maybe here would have been like also kind of a thing, but that would have been an ugly looking trade for a while, and I would have been freaking out. So stop would have went, oh Lord, and it's a huge stop. I would maybe try to put it above the high of this candle that had a lot of volume right here. That's a little better of a stop. So, and let's see if I would have even got, I probably would have gotten stopped out. So on right here, this candle, I would have been into the trade. So then we wait 21 minutes. Right here, we're going to move it to 0.7. Okay. And then right here again somewhere, I don't know if I did the right candle. Another, then right here, 0.5. So moved it right here. So I guess it would have worked. It would have just been kind of, I would have been scared. And there's a chance I wouldn't have left a runner because I would have had like, oh my God, so much anxiety through this. But actually, no, that's not true because once this candle formed, I would have probably got my confidence back up again. So very solid win. Very solid. So let's go to the next day. All right, next day. I'm telling you right now, in real time, after something like this, I would not have traded the next day. But I'm doing it here because it's back trading. And I'm just trying to kind of build my... Anyways. All right, so I think this is a trickier day, right? Because at the open, I think we're hanging around the hourly 50 EMA. It really hasn't made a decision yet. Technically, we're below it, though. So that's still looking for shorts. Now, I kind of want to wait. See, this is where I'm getting a little scared. I kind of want to say wait for that opening, that 30-minute opening range. Okay, it's right there. So, whoa! What was this day? I'm trying to remember. So literally the high of that 30-minute opening range breakout. So I wouldn't have entered here. Even if I did have a trade set up, I wouldn't have gotten triggered, which is great. Now we're above. This crazy guy. What day was this? I don't remember. Let's see, the high. No, I thought this was a tweezer top again. It's not, right? I don't like the way that looks. It could go though. All right, close above. I'm going to wait for that first hour. There it is. All right, first hour, and maybe we could count this as a reset candle to go long above. Oof, I think this. Oops. Oh Lord, no. Nah, I'm not gonna do this. The stop has to be too large, and it may work. I just, for some reason with these, after watching some traders like trade, that sounds like on YouTube and stuff, and on NQ in specific, like I don't see them ever using stops. Like the stops that I usually use are already really big compared to some of the people that I watch. So, you know, I don't know. Now this would be, I could add this line here, and that would be the top. Let me change the color. This would be the top of the hourly opening range breakout. So maybe that could help me. Yeah, nope, don't like it. I mean, it's too, it did come closer to the 50 EMA on the hourly, but not close enough to flip to go short. Well, maybe I was wrong. Oh man, nice double top. I remember this day too. I mean, I remember this. I can't remember everything outside of that, but let's see what happens here. I mean, this is no, I miss this. I mean, the best thing would be to, because this was the, well, I don't know. Let's see here. Double bottom, maybe we'll try to form. Okay. All right. So, okay, I remember this. The battle of the double bottom and double top. And I really remember this day, the double top one. So, I would have to just look for a short, but I'm going to pretend like I don't know that and just trade the strategy. We're now above that hourly 50 EMA, right? So I'd be looking for that bull bear reset candle. Let's see if we get it. Got it there. Get in above. Stop. Ooh. I don't like this at all. Again, it just seems like it would require such a large stop. I mean, I could put it like right there around the 50% mark of this candle, but oh wait, now we did overtake this candle. We did do that. I do remember this day. I remember in real time being like, let's see. So I'd be in the trade here. Let's see if we could wait 21 minutes to move the stop before I get stopped out, which is right here. Ooh, yeah, full R just gone. That's not good. Yeah, so like I said, that last day, there's no out of chance to trading right now in real time. Like a 3R win in one day, like I'm not used to that at all. So let's see if we can get this back though, because now kind of have to try to fight. Let's see if we can get a nice bull candle. Oof, man. And I remember that the 10 EMA strategy didn't really work this day. It was like you had to kind of play like the pattern. So I don't even think, even though this is valid for my rolls, I will get in, now that I see this level here, I will get in below this. I don't even think this worked out, even though like this is a I just don't remember where I should have my stop. Already took out that candle. Yeah. I kind of don't want price to come down and wick me out. We had this step up in volume here. I want it to go up. Okay. And so I got filled. Got filled. Can we wait the 21 minutes or should I just get out? Because, yeah. Or maybe just go for an R. Maybe not the full 1.2. Just to win this back. Big bull volume, bear volume. Let's see. Yeah, that's not good. Not good. Let's see if I can wait that 21 minutes. You know what? No, I shouldn't do that. I should just get out. Oh, wait. It's right there. I can't close my eyes. Oh my God, it's right there. But I could move my stop. Right? Could move my stop right there at that 0.7. And really, I really should consider getting out because I think this comes back up again in this day. I think it does. I'm gonna kind of close my eyes and no. Okay, how many contracts would I have here? Probably just 2, right? Just to make sure. Yeah, I'll just have 2. Oh, yeah, I'll just have 2. And we can take one off here. Wow, it barely missed. And that's a bull reset. Yeah, I think it's going to come up again to the double top neckline. I think it comes up. Oh no. Okay. Out. Okay, so I forgot. I knew that double top one, but I just forgot. But hey, I played the strat. I played the rules. So that's what I like about this. Even though I knew what was going to happen, I wanted to just really stick to that rule of only taking longs above that hourly 50 EMA and only going short below that hourly 50 EMA. And so far with me back trading, this has been the best back trading session for me of just really following that rule because I haven't been. Especially in my real time trading. So that worked. I was scared to hold for 1.2, 1.3. So maybe I obviously could have worked better on that. So break even for today, right? I'll take that more than taking a loss. But definitely, obviously, could have hit that 1.2, 1.3 R target. Could have walked away with 0.2 or 0.3, which is cool, but that was just a little scary for me. And at this point, I will not be trading again on this day. Yeah, I need to back trade like this a lot more often. And that's right, we took out the bear volume here. I think we do come back up a little bit and we'll come back down again. I think so. Okay, we're coming to, let me just play it. Let's see here. Okay, so we kind of just did that. And like if let's say I wouldn't have, I missed all this and came to my computer and saw all of this, good chance I would have, I think I said this in my video, good chance I would have gotten along there. Stop would be literally below these wicks. That's what I probably would have done, and I would have got stopped out. But if the stop was a little bit below the opening range level, I would have walked away. Let's see, with in there. Okay, a stop move would have been really hard, right? Because stop move would have been really hard to decide, because literally on the candle I'm supposed to move the stop, it does this. So it's like, well, my stop, there really isn't any room for me to really move my stop. So I'd have to leave it there, which is obviously risking losing another, full R, which is crazy. So now I could have waited for this, and then I would have moved it. Yeah, I probably would have been stopped out for half an R. Let's see what it is. Yeah, it would have been right there. That would have made me mad. Would have got stopped right out for that and ran out. Or the only other thing I could think of is after it coming down literally right here, just totally getting out. Just getting out right here. That would have been the only thing that saved me on that. So that's kind of interesting. But that still wasn't bad as far as following that rule of only going long above the 50 EMA and only going short below it. And again, I've totally neglected the VWAP and 50 EMA. Now, I know there's a day coming up where it does work, and I actually think it's this next day, to be honest with you. I think it's this next day, yeah. I'll try not to. And since I haven't been paying attention to the VWAP strategy, that, there's a good chance that in real-time trading, I probably wouldn't pay attention either and would have gotten in on this really crazy setup about to come up right now. Well, let's see, till 8:30. Where is it? Right, that's 8:33. So let's go to 8:30. That's 9:30, whoops. This is 8:30. Funny that we're kind of in this range of the opening, of the previous opening range for that 30-minute breakout thing. So this was that really nice move down from the VWAP and the 50, orange line 50, VWAP, the dotted line, and you'd wait to come back to that area. If the VWAP and 50 are close together, you get in and you short down, play the rejection. So I'm going to pretend though, that I'm not seeing that. And because again, like I said, I've just kind of neglected to look, for that strategy. So, I don't know that I'll use that strategy really. I really don't. But this is a great day where it shows how well it works. Like it works so well. So at this point, all right, let's see, where are we at? We are below the hourly 50 EMA, so I'm supposed to go short. Let's see. Wow. All right, so this is the 30-minute low right here, and this is the high. Let me change these colors back. And we're also, let me delete that because I won't be looking at that. So at the very least, what I could have done if I would have seen it just like this is I could have put a limit sell here. It's a nice hammer candle, wow. And the stop though, so now this would have been a little tricky. Yeah, stop could go like right here. Put it just, should I put it here? I'll leave it, yeah, that high because it's still 1.3. Right, so if price comes back up right here, it'll fill me and I'll just have to hold. Hopefully my stop isn't too tight. I don't remember how high it comes up. I don't think it comes up too high. I could be wrong though. My God, one candle. One candle, it just wins, right? So at this point, it's 906. We're below that opening range breakout. We're to the downside. So let's see if we can wait, right? Let's see if we can wait. Basically right there for that 0.7 move. And at that point, I'll be having a runner, right? Let me see here. Yeah, runner for sure on that. And targeting, let's see, where can we target? Wait, what's today? It's Monday. I haven't been moving these. Oh my God, I had to move like, okay, that was that day. And then this is 22nd. I think I could move one more. Actually, I think I might have seen too much. Okay, so I won't look at that. But yeah, targeting that daily 10. Yeah, I moved it too much. Daily 10 around here, get out right there. But yeah. So let's see. I know how this is gonna work. So 21 minutes. Wait, let me double check this here. Oh, okay. I messed up something. Oh no. Now it's 9. Oops. I must have to delete the trade. And at this point, what is this? Okay, these lines are getting on my nerves. At this point, I would we'll go another 21 minutes, right? Oh wait, no. I left a runner, so now this, oh my God, what am I doing? This comes down into the green. Left a runner. Oh, this is my target area. I'm trying to remember if it comes up before hitting. No, it just went straight to target. That's right. I mean, the easiest 3 R's in the world. So that would be another 3R day. Wow. And price consolidated on the daily. And this strategy still worked by following Calvin's rules to a T. Well, in the sense of what I'm not following is waiting a whole hour to trade. That's what I'm not following. But what I am following hardcore is going short below the hourly 50 EMA and only going long above it. That's what I am following. The only thing I've changing so far is taking trades before the 9:30. But I'm fine with that. So I would have won and I would have just totally walked away from this day. I mean, right? Wow. So what's the rest of this day? What did it do, right? I know it went lower. I do know that. But like where? Did it go lower? I thought it went lower. Went a little bit lower. All right. Yeah, I just went a little lower. It hung around that daily 10 again. So I forgot to say, so on that particular week, right, air quotes, if I would have traded exactly like I just back traded, which is hard to do, that is a 5.23R week. Man, that's really good. I guess, also the biggest difference between back trading and real-time trading is like I don't have the time to just sit here all day looking. Like it's easy to do it right now and see these setups because this week I don't have too much to do in my real life, my personal life, and it's a little easier to kind of sit here and watch the screens, but I can't really do that a lot of times. So, man, I don't know if that's something. Anyways, so this is now August 27th. This is the current day, and I'm trying to remember even what happened today. I'm sure I'll remember. I am going to total after this day, like where my account would have been at. I actually am going to go back and see where my PA account would have been if I traded and wasn't so in my head about trying to catch that stupid move down to the daily 10 EMA. I was just obsessed with that I don't know. I want to see. I'm going to find out like what would have happened. Okay, so now on the next day, we're below, we are below the 50 EMA. So I'm supposed to look for shorts. This is a crazy move down. Can't lie about it. I'm trying to remember this day. Okay. I'm going to do the opening range thing. Okay, indecision candle. Okay, let's go to 9. Okay, well, technically that would be it, but I think I want to at least see the opening range. I think I want to do that, right? So let's go to 9. Oh, went too fast. Went too fast. That's okay, didn't matter. So right here, this was the high, and this was the low, right? Okay. So we're below this, so I'm supposed to look for shorts. I understand it may not work right now, but we're going to see. Nice double bottom. This could be in play, right? This is letting me know if I should maybe take a trade in the first hour. Again, we're below that 50, so not quite looking. Now, this could definitely come and touch it before it makes a decision. I'm not saying that, but I'm just trying to get good at that rule of only looking for short, or, mainly going short. Wow, yeah. All right, so now it's 9:30. Looks like we're coming up. Let's see if we're going to flip. Oh, I do remember this day now. I remember today. That's right. I wanted to play that long up to here, and then I missed that today. Or no, what I did was I didn't execute on it. I was too scared to do it. Anyways, that's not in the rules. I shouldn't have done that anyways. So just kind of keeping that in mind. It's 9:30. We're at the hourly 50 EMA. We're under it. We're trying to break it. Okay, we've broken it. When is that set up? I'm trying to remember. There it is. This is it. This was the end. This was the A+ setup. Now, wait a second here. I'm trying to remember something. Now, now this is, okay, now this is what I don't remember. If I had the entry right below this or below this as well. Knowing how I've been trading so far, I think I would be doing this. We took out the low of this candle. Let's see what the next candle is. Yeah, now I may not win on this. I may not. Let's see the 20 minutes. Wow, went right there. Okay, yeah. So my stop was too tight. I was supposed to probably have it above here. So yeah, I'm probably going to lose on this actually. That's okay. So at least I can move the stop, right? There we go. And then that next stop move. Yeah, it's right there. So that's 0.5. So I'd be moving it to 0.5, right? Maybe at that point I would consider getting out. Nice. Again, so let's see. Yeah, this just the stop move, it really does save me from losing really large, right? So let's be about there, yeah. Let's think. It's gone in the red twice. That one rule also Calvin says if it's gone in the red once, come back in the profit, come back in the red and come down. He said he would not let it come back into the red to get stopped out. So big bull volume, a bear volume. We've taken out this candle. Let's see. Let's see if we can get here. If we can get here, I'll get out. Okay, got there. Okay. All right, so that's what I won. Could have got a little more, but that's okay. So basically this was a point. Whoops. All right, so yeah, that stop rule is, that's like a must. I have to practice that. I really do. Yeah, so I would have gotten, I wouldn't have even gotten stopped out here. So from here, I definitely probably would have gotten out. So that's a small win. Could walk away, but let's so, oh, I forgot. This might have been a good candle right here to flip the trade and go long. I'm not gonna do it. I'm trying to remember. I don't remember. I don't think it worked out. I don't think it did. Maybe did it? So yeah, if I wouldn't have, let's see, my regular way of moving my stop, what would that loss would have been like really quick? I just want to see something. So got entered here. I wouldn't have moved. So like I said, I would do it to where I would wait like an hour before moving it, right? So at this point, I would have barely just moved it to 0.7 R loss. And then at that point, I would have used the 21-minute rule. So at this point, I would have then put it at the stop for the 0.5 R stop. And then I would have been stopped out. And then by this time, well, I guess I would have lost about the same. I would have put it at the 0.3. So I mean, but the difference, I guess, is, yeah, that's actually a big difference. the big difference is I actually ended up winning on this trade because I moved the stop faster. And the way I would have done it, I would have just lost 0.3, which is not bad, but it's not a win. So again, not doing that. And again, after having that really solid, crazy day on Monday, after this, I'd have been like, let me just walk away. I don't want to lose, more of that solid win I got on that Monday. Wow, maybe this did work. Did it work? Let's see. No, it didn't get up there. Right? It doesn't get up there, I don't think. I had chopped like the whole day after that. Let me see. Yeah, just like did this craziness. So, I mean, even that wasn't so horrible. It definitely hasn't been, like, this wasn't as bad as the losses I've been taking. Ugh, man. So, let's see. 21-minute mark on this candle, moved it to 0.7. And then another 21 minutes. That candle moved it to I would have gotten stopped up for 0.5. Yeah. If I wouldn't have got out somewhere here or trimmed something. So, okay. Now the thing I have to think about, here, let me pause really quick. So, this is wild. From the date we picked up back trading, which is August 12th, that was the start of this video. I think I counted the 11th on this, but back trading to the current time, I'd be up 14 R's. That's crazy. And then I looked back at when I got the new PA, and it was on the 21st. So then I went back and looked at what my PA account would have been up eventually. And it's 7.76 R's. If I traded and wouldn't have been so gung-ho on trying to short, well, I mean, taking shorts when I needed to, which is only doing it below the hourly 50 EMA, this account would have been up, let's say, okay, because I did the distant drawdown, because there were some moments, right, that I would have hit the high water mark and then went into the red a little bit and, all of that. So I even said, even if, let's just say it would have been 4 R's, right? My R is 250. So I would have been up $1,000 instead of, let's say, $42. If I just would have stopped, getting in my head on, just being too fearful, basically, of shorting below the hourly 50 EMA, no matter how far it's already gone down, and going long above that EMA, no matter how far it's gone up. That's really, and not really being that picky on some of the trades that I, wanted to trade. And I do think the opening range, 30-minute opening range breakout, I think it does kind of help me determine whether I should take some trades before the 1 hour. The biggest difference between what I'm doing and Calvin's is he waits an hour to trade. He does not take any trade within that hour. And I have to kind of pause and go see like how many trades I've taken or back trades that's within that hour. But I think it's a lot. It is a lot. So this is huge for me. This definitely makes me, and then it worked in this crazy chop area. Like that strategy really worked as far as like going short below it and or long above it. It really worked even in this. I did not think it was going to, because he said it really works best when the days are trending a lot of times, like when we've taken out, you know, the highs or lows of the previous daily candles, and just in, I mean, I guess maybe he also meant just in a good, you know, trend, like going up. But even going up, it gave us opportunities to short and make money. So biggest takeaways is I'm just going to follow that now. And I am going to follow the 21-minute stop rule. I am no longer going to wait forever to move, you know, make my first stop move and then trail it from there. I clearly see that that is not, it doesn't really work that well. Let me think of anything else I could say here. That's a really big takeaway. Oh wait, yeah, hang on one second. So here's what's interesting. I wanted to go back and see the candle time on each of these trades that I would have been triggered in on these trades, and like around what time I'm actually doing this, right? And it's so funny. I would have actually been up, and I'm counting from the 21st because I'm actually trying to figure out where my PA would have been if I really just followed these rules. This first trade right out the gate I wasn't even supposed to take this trade because I was supposed to look for longs. And so that was a losing trade, right? And I got triggered in on this trade at 11 a.m. Then this trade that won was 12:48. I'll tell you why I'm saying this. This winning trade was 10:18 a.m. That's the candle this trade got triggered in on. Okay. We have two trades here where I got triggered in at 10:39 and 11 a.m. on the second one that won. And then this is, okay, so this is 8:54 a.m. Got triggered on this one. This is the first one so far since the 21st that I took this trade before 9:30. So Calvin's kind of on to something. And then this one was 10:24 a.m. So I'm going to leave this up and I'm going to actually count like, so let's just say from the 21st in my PA account, if I traded very similar to this, I'm taking pretty much every trade outside of 9:30. That's just, you know. So he's kind of onto something there. I'm going to pause really quick and count the days before the 21st because I want to see. I thought I did take a lot more that were within the first hour of the market open. So I'm going to see really quick. So starting from the 12th, this was a losing day, but I'm trying to look at the times that I'm taking these, right? So 11:27. Okay, this is 13:57. Now let me just see something. Yeah. I mean, could have traded basically at 9:27 also. That would have been a losing trade. But I'm just trying to see when these trades are really happening. Here, I would have traded here, or, you know, should have traded here. 9:51. This is when I was kind of build that confidence up to continue going long, even though we've done that. Like, that's crazy. So anywhere from 9:51, but the actual trade, it was a losing trade. And what was that? 13:33. Okay. 9:48. Again, that's still before 9:30. I mean, that's after 9:30. So that worked out. Okay, this was at 10:09. Playing this candle right here at 10:03. This one is 12.33. I'm looking at when I get triggered in these trades. So yeah, there's not, okay, this one was before 9:30. Okay. This one is before 9:30 and it lost. It actually lost. So that's one of the reasons why he actually says he doesn't trade, is he loses too much in the first hour. So yeah, that was 9:03, something like that. The winning one was 10:36, playing the 10:30 minute candle. All right. I mean, yeah, so I mean, most of these trades like are entered. Yeah, I mean, I really can't. And look, this one, okay, that was at 10:57 when that got entered. It was a losing, but that's okay. Let's see here, we have, even this I didn't trust. This was that Jerome Powell day, I remember. Losing day, but I'm just trying to get a general time. So 11. I mean, yeah, I mean, I really, basically, it's, even with me back trading, like I have been, I haven't really been taking too many trades, like, before 9:30. Yeah, so, all right, well, that kind of gives me a little more clarity on that, but there was that really good winning day. I believe it was this one, and it was definitely before. It was around 9. So, wow. Yeah, this is, I'm glad I back traded like this. I know this is a very long video. I told you I could do this. I told you I could go for a long time back trading like this, and this was really good practice. Hopefully, I can do something pretty good tomorrow. And I do know that NVIDIA's earnings apparently are coming out, and that can have great effect on what price is going to do. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to really try, though, to just stick with going long above the 50 hourly 50 EMA or short below it. It's crazy to think that there's a very good chance if I would have traded like this in my PA and would have just done that 21-minute stop rule, like I could have been up this amount. And even if let's just say, even if I was up 2 Rs, like that's still better than what I've been doing, because it's been 5 days and I'm only up $42. You know, you can't make money doing, trading like this. So thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.